never stop. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy in my sick van. I thought today I would bring you guys along on a little adventure. This little adventure is a place that I've picked on the map that looked very interesting because I was trying to find abandoned buildings. I was trying to find something cool to go and do today. But I cannot find any abandoned cool things on the web, so I found something on Google Maps that looks very interesting. Okay, so here is my map, and as you can see, that's where I'm at right now. And I was just looking on near me on Google Maps. Get out of there, Anthony. With satellite on. And upon doing so, okay, it's not going to be super clear, but there's like this weird hole looking thing. I don't know if it's a cliff. I don't know if it's a freaking hole in the earth that no one has found before, but today we will find out. Look at that, it's huge. Looks like we gotta walk a little farther than expected. 9 minutes of driving. It's probably not that bad, it'd be a little hike. It's kind of sketchy, but whatever. Okay, kid, we're just gonna fix up the little camera here for you guys, so I look beautiful like my mom always tells me. Yes, there we go. Yes, hello, welcome. This is the Colton J. Loberg show. Let's see what it is to walk. 40 minutes. Okay, Little John. It's just kind of a sketchy area. Full security, full lockdown, putting the van in lock mode. Parkour, parkour. I'm sure other people walk here quite a bit, it seems that way. I think we're good. God damn. Abort mission. Yeah, at this point in time, jeez. We're making progress going this way, which is the wrong way. We're going on this trail here. Maybe it will go around. Fucking thorns everywhere. Tarzan, I am not. We literally just have to go like right there. Okay, no thorns. Yeah, boys, that's what I'm talking about. That, my friends, is what success looks like. My name is Bear Grylls, and next, I drank my own piss. Ooh, look at that. That's from a little slithery little snake. First, you want to check both ways. Be sure there's no traffic. This is a three-way stop. And then you can just make your way into the fog. Look at this, man. It's already getting cool. Got some nice rock. Very, very cool. Oh, look at that. What is that? Oh, boys, boys, boys. What? Boys. That's a fucking homeless camp or something. Boy. Oh, dude, what is that? Boys. Brown. Boys. It is definitely brown. Alright, so the road has turned into just a trail. Whoa, what the fuck is that? Oh, there we go. Never stop. No idea if someone's in there, but I'm definitely not gonna check it out. It's just a hobo tent. You guys don't need to know what's in there. And this is giving me a creepy vibe. Oh, yo, we're here. Fucking right. Wow. Yo, holy, what the fuck, that's huge. Wow. That is so cool. I am so pumped that I came here. Wonder if we can get inside of it. Wonder if we can get inside, walk down it. What if I hold onto that branch? What the fuck was that? Shit, someone's here. Fuck, fuck, fuck. Hello? That's enough sketchiness for me today. Thank you guys for smash that like button for me. Smash that subscribe button. Go ahead and share this if you got any friends in Vancouver that want to see this super cool little trail. I would say come with someone else. I don't know what that was back there, but I definitely heard a pretty big crack and bang in the bushes. This place is sketchy. I just kind of feel like I stepped on Mr. Hobo Man's turf. The clues are pretty clear here, boys. That was a hobo, and I am a detective.